Whilst not a New Year's resolution as such, I thought with the start of a new year it was time to have a look at a new EDC. And I wanted to look back at all the crap I've bought over the last year or so and reevaluate what I carry, what I realistically need for EDC as an urban dweller who spends most of my time around town. Let's get rid of all this stuff. So I've got all the gear, I've got literally dozens and dozens of watches. These are by no means all of them, but what I've come to realise is that actually all I need is an accurate, cheap, reliable, tough and durable, slim, light watch that gives me all the info I need at a glance on the display there. Doesn't cost the earth, so I don't mind really if it gets bashed about and picks up scratches and scuffs that I can go in the water with. These are plenty waterproof, and so what I tend to wear for EDC is something like a Casio F91W or an A158. This for me is kind of the perfect EDC watch. I've got tons and tons of lighters. Again, these are by no means all of them, and I'm an ex-smoker. I haven't smoked for many years now, but I still always used to carry a lighter. Got into these like jet turbo Zippo inserts, and there's Zorro Chinese ones as well, and still used to carry a lighter because just, you never know when you might need to start a fire. But yeah, I've stopped carrying a lighter. I've got loads of different torches as well. But nowadays, around my neck, I carry a Rovivon Aurora A5. This multi-function, multi-mode light is small, light, extremely useful. Carry it around my neck on this bit of paracord I made with a little breakaway toggle on there. This is perfect. I use this pretty much every day, especially in the winter for work and everything. Just so useful. A lot of folks would argue, well, your phone's got a flashlight on it, hasn't it there? Yep, of course it has. Something like this is brighter, more reliable, more versatile and more useful. So I always carry a torch around my neck. Pens, again, it's the same thing. Fisher Space pens, all that stuff. Love pens. I still do have to write at work a lot, so I'll carry a pen if I'm at work. If I'm not at work, well, I've also stopped carrying a dedicated pen on me in normal situations. Many of my Swiss Army knives do have a pen in them. There's a modified manager model, which is dead handy with a little pressurised pen in there. I'll talk about my little multi-tool choice later, but I'll often have a pen on me in that form. And if not, I'll just shove something like this in my little wallet. It's just a refill with a bit of heat shrink tubing wrapped around there. So I'll usually have a pen of some kind on me, carried in my wallet. And at this point I might as well talk about my wallet. There was a time I used to carry a kind of EDC pouches around with me that would also act as my wallet, and I've long been a fan of more minimalist wallets, so would carry something like this. But my wallet of choice for about the past 4 odd years has been 2 of those mobile phone credit card holders stuck back to back, which gives me an ultra adaptable stretchy wallet that I can keep my cash cards, some cash, a bit of note paper. I've got a toothpick in there in that side, and this is where my little emergency pen goes. And as a diabetic on the other side, I do like to keep some emergency glucose tablets on me. So that's it, wallet wise. Just the smallest, most minimal wallet I can find. Don't strictly use my cash card or even cash that much nowadays because of mobile phone payments, but I do like to have these few extra little bits, some cash on me and a few other bits in there. But that's it. Absolutely hate those great big trifold thick leather wallets. No, that's not for me. So far I've got a watch, a little torch, a really minimal wallet. Of course, I always have my phone on me. Your mobile phone, your smartphone is the top EDC item, isn't it, nowadays, I think. So we'll bung that in there as well. Next thing I need to talk about is tools, pocket knives, multi-tools, all that kind of gear. I've got dozens and dozens and dozens of these. So look at this one. This is a Leatherman Wave clone, Beebury. I sold my Leatherman Wave many years ago because it was too big, too heavy, too bulky to go in my pocket. If I'm just pottering around in Civvy Street around town, I'm not carrying that in my pocket. No, it's far too heavy, far too big and bulky. I don't need it for average around town EDC. Same with big, relatively bulky Swiss Army knives. I love Swiss Army knives. I do love the Swiss Champ. It's a great tool as well, but yeah, I don't carry it. I don't need it if I'm just pottering around. And I got into the Knipex pliers. These are fantastic. I was carrying these around, and then when I got these, I was carrying these around. I don't use them every day unless I'm doing a specific job. Same for all these other multi-tools. For me, EDC is about getting you by and helping you deal with average small tasks that you might come across during your daily life so that you've got something in your pocket that can just help you out with those little tasks. Anything else? Proper jobs that need doing? Yeah, go and grab proper tools like your garage or whatever. So yeah, I've stopped carrying them. If I think I might need a pair of pliers, yeah, I'll shove those in my pocket, but I don't carry them. Not on the EDC, not anymore. There's some really cool little stuff. Look at this. I got this recently and it's absolutely brilliant, but it's a locking blade. I can't carry it legally in the UK. All locking blades are out for me as a UK citizen. So what I've found for me over the years, the best little tiny keychain tool has always been for me the Victorinox Manager. This is a modded one with a few extra tools in the scales. The Rambler is almost exactly the same, and it gives you all these great tools. A tiny blade, a tiny pair of scissors, a little file and slotted screwdriver, bottle opener, and this wonderful Phillips screwdriver, tweezers, toothpick, pen. And this one's also got a pin in there as well. Love Swiss Army knives, and I did pick up this one, the Companion, in 2025, and honestly this has been wonderful, and it's made me question for EDC whether I actually need anything else. This is a 91mm Swiss Army knife, and you've got your main blade, the larger scissors, a bottle opener, slotted screwdriver, prying tool, package opener tool, which I've been surprised at how useful I've found this and how much I've used it, with the small slotted screwdriver which works great as a Phillips screwdriver, and a single cut file which is very good, with this pointy end which works great on really tiny Phillips screws. This is a brilliant ferro rod striker as well. You've got tweezers, toothpick, this has got plus scales, so a ballpoint pen in there, and all multi-purpose hook, corkscrew, eyeglasses screwdriver, a pin in there. I put a paper clip behind there. This is wonderful for urban situations. Absolutely fantastic. Love it. Another great tool I've recently picked up is this Bird Turn, Chinese manufactured Spyderco knife basically, and this is great. It's a slip joint basically, one-handed opening with an excellent finger choil for safety. Made in China, so significantly cheaper than any Spyderco knives, and the convenience of having a one-handed opening knife clipped into your back pocket so you can just whip it out, use it, pop it away one-handed. This has been really wonderful, so convenient. So what I have been doing is pairing this clipped in my back pocket with this just in my front pocket or whatever, or pairing this with this, the Orbit Key Multi-Tool version 2, just slipped into my little wallet there. This has a bottle opener, a sharpened edge here, a package opener, slotted screwdriver, a file on there which isn't very effective, but you know, metric and imperial rulers on the back there, great for measuring little nuts and bolts and stuff, and then a really decent Phillips screwdriver on the end there. This is a wonderful little tool. You use it for prying and everything. This is brilliant. This paired with this, it's a fantastic minimalist, super light, super slim combo. Great stuff. So my multi-tool selection is the thing that varies the most. I'll always have a watch, I'll always have my torch, I'll always have my phone, and then I'll carry something like this, one of these or a little combo of these, and basically that is it. There's my wallet as well. So all that other stuff, the stuff that was weighing my pockets down and really wasn't getting used all that much, it's out, it's all out the window. And realistically, this little few things here is all I need for the average day around town. What about you guys? I think my approach is kind of as minimalist as it can be, really. I could lose the watch, I could lose the torch because I've got the time and a flashlight on my phone. I suppose I could lose the wallet because payments are on your phone. Wouldn't ever want to be without at least some kind of little pocket tool on me. But yeah, this is my minimalist setup for the new year. I'm trying to keep things as light and practical and realistic as possible. What do you guys think to that? And what do you carry? Are you a maximalist and like to be prepared for every eventuality? Or do you like to keep things as light and sleek as possible? Be great to get some feedback. And I hope that's provided a bit of entertainment for some of you out there. Thank you. Ta-da for now.